Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, dear students, I hope all of you have taken the last introduction class. In last class, we have done the introduction. We have started our new session. Today, today is the second class of English, and today we will review some of the formations of the writing. You have the writing book like this, my English handwriting series, book 2. You have done in the class 1 also. Okay, so we will just recall today. Okay, आज हम सिर्फ इसके revision करेंगे, then we will start our book inshallah. सही है? So the work will be done in the rough page, and we will not do in the book now. Okay, I'm just showing the book. This is your writing series, and we will do it in inshallah. Okay, right? I know you have learned from the previous class so many formations of the letters. Okay, now just we are going to recall it. This thing you have to done in your rough page. Okay, you don't have to use the book. Okay, or in a copy also. You don't have to write in your copy also. You just have to write in your rough page. I'm just explaining you, or you can say I'm just recalling it. Okay, first, you know what are the sky letters. You know it. I hope everyone know it. I know everyone know it. Sky letters are those letters which are written on the above 3 lines. These are called ascenders also. हम उसे ascenders भी कहते हैं. Okay, and what are these? Do you remember what are these? These are B, D, F, H, L, T. These are the sky letters. Remember? Yes. These are the sky letters because they are written in the above lines. Okay, above 3 lines. Then what are the second one, students? The second one are grass letter. Very good. Grass letters are written between the 2 lines. Okay, between the 2 lines we write grass letters. A, K, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, formation of the R, S, T, then U, V, W, X, and Z. What are these? These are the sky letters. These are the grass letters. And what are the last ones? Last ones are the root letters. Root letters. What are the root letters? They are written the last 3 lines. Okay, these are called descenders also. Okay, descender word is used for root letters and ascender is used for sky letters. Okay, this we write G, J, P, Q, Y. Okay, beta. Y. These are called root letters. Now, can you tell me that which letters have the tails? Remember? Okay, tell me every animal, does every animal has a tail? No. Some animals have tail and some animals does not have tail. Can you tell me this name, a name of animals which have tails? Yes. Monkey, lion, cow. Many animals have tails and many animal doesn't have tail. Means duck, sea animals also, octopus. Many animals doesn't have tail. In the same way, some alphabets have tail and some alphabet does not have tail. Means they have a flix in their with exit flix. Okay, means flix means they flick like this. A. Okay. Cow also go like this, that has a flick, but the alphabets I want to show that has the flicks. Okay, visibly flicks. Look like this. These are the tails. Right, Pita? These are the tails alphabets mostly. Okay, they are written like this. L. L also has tail. K. Okay. I. C and E are C that are not tell that in real these are the flicks. We just assemble them like a tell. Okay. C, E. Because when we go for the joining, हम आगे जाकर joining जाएंगे. These tell alphabets will help us. Okay. These are the words which we have to remember before doing your work. That how they will be, how the formation will make for these words. Okay, you don't have to forget it. Okay, these that are how we will make A with tail, D with tail, and how we will do the formation of R like this. These you have already learned in class 1, but we will do more and we will learn in detail about the formation in our writing series. Okay? So what you have to do, you have to practice on the rough page first, okay? All the alphabets, okay? Then you have to show me in your group, okay? You have to give me the reply, means you have to record your video or you take the picture of the paper. You have to write A to Z alphabet on the paper, rough paper, and then you have to send to me the images of that work on the WhatsApp group. Okay, that I should know it that you are doing the work and you are understanding the things which I'm going to explain you. Okay, क्या आप समझ पा रहे हैं या नहीं? देखें, लिखना जरूरी है, अगर आप सुन रहे हैं उनको तो समझना भी बहुत जरूरी है. If you are facing any difficulty regarding to your any work, you can ask me in your group. Okay, I will be there for guiding you and helping you. Okay, inshallah. So students, this was the introduction class of the writing series, that how we will write the alphabet. This was the recap of the previous class. They you already have learned, and who is new, This will be useful for them also, यानी वो उनके लिए भी useful होंगे जो new आए हैं. Okay. So students, writing should be neat on the lines and tidy. Okay, you don't have to erase again and again. That you have made mistakes, you are going erasing. In this way, your work will be not neat and it will become untidy. बहुत गंदा हो जाएगा आपका काम. So आपको ये करना है कि आपको पहले ही इसमें पहले शॉर्प करने हैं अच्छी तरीके से पेंसिल. Then you will write on the lines. Okay, this will be helpful for your future also, because if you have maintained your writing now, that will be useful in your next classes also. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understand the formation of the letters and the different classifications of letters and the letters with the tail. Okay, so please write A to Z with the correct formation in the rough paper and send it to me. Okay, I will waiting for your reply, that how you will respond to me. और प्लीज इंट्रोडक्शन तो करवाएं अपना. मैंने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दिया कि मैं आपकी टीचर मिस तुबा हूँ और मैं आपको ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाती हूँ. तो मुझे भी तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनके नाम भी नहीं पता. हाउ कुड आई नो? Please give also a message of your introduction in the Facebook. Okay, I am waiting for your reply. Okay, Allah Hafiz, see you. I will let you. I am waiting for your reply. Inshallah, see you. Take care of yourself and your family, and please do your work on the time. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.